My name's Isaac. This is my 1990 Volkswagen Jetta, Mark II. And here's a little bit about it. I bought this off of a close friend of mine. He built this back in 2012. He did the full nut and bolt restoration on it. So originally it was silver, 1.6 liter non-turbo diesel. It was bought in Vaughan by some old Italian lady. I have all the service records and everything, which is cool. But my buddy built this back in 2012 from Mark II Mayhem. It's got a 12-valve, 2.8 liter VR6 from a 97 Passat. Bottom end is refinished with new pistons and rods, all that. Head was rebuilt, valve springs, retainers, cams, chip tune. This was also a Fabless manufacturing test vehicle. It's got rad, subframe, control arms, custom downpipes, custom coolant bottle. Anything you could think of from Fabless manufacturing, this vehicle was the test pick for it, and it has the whole catalog on it. This is on a rotisserie at one point in its life. Floors were cut. Firewall was redone for the swapping to right-hand drive. Roof was redone. Rear end was cut. Gas cap area was cut as well. Everything that you could see that's been unbolted was replaced with OEM Euro parts and zinc-plated hardware. So full-on nut and bolt restoration. Everything OEM Euro parts, like I said. It took longer to find the parts than to build the vehicle itself. Now what I did all the aesthetic parts, like the showroom plate, wheels, suspension, all the interior bits, the super rare Mark II Jetta Holy Grail item, hella clears, brand new in-box item, got the custom Pro Heck blend, white carbon fiber to match with it. For my next goal with the car, I want to bag it. I want to rebuild these Tremont wheels again to make them 15 or 16 inch. It's a Tremont TY2, I believe, magnesium wheel. After I bag it, I want to do a full custom leather interior, blue leather with white stitching. Eventually either put ITBs on this VR6 or put an 07K 5-cylinder from the Mark V, Mark VI generation, put ITBs on that. Or if someone gives me a crazy offer, everything is for sale. You always know how it goes. I've been loving Volkswagen most of my life. I had a 2011 GTI before this. That was also a show car. It had a full carbon front end, bag wheels. What you name it, it had it. I also have a 14 SQ5 as my daily vehicle. Slammed on BCs with 22-inch weds. I'm a big Volkswagen nerd. Eventually I'm gonna have a 911 as most Volkswagen guys do, but that's everything I gotta say. Thank you very much.